If you're trying to zoom in Tinkercad without a mouse, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest keyboard shortcuts and the on-screen buttons you can use to zoom in, zoom out, and fit your design on the screen. This is a super helpful trick if you're working on a laptop, using a trackpad, or just want a faster workflow inside Tinkercad. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The fastest way to zoom in is with your keyboard. To zoom in, press the plus key. On many keyboards, this is the Shift and equal key, so if you don't see a dedicated plus button, that's the one to try. To zoom out, press the minus key. These shortcuts are especially useful when you want to move around your design quickly without reaching for a mouse or scrolling on a trackpad. If you want to focus on a specific part of your model, there's another shortcut that saves even more time. First, click on the object you want to center, then press F on your keyboard. This will fit the selected object to your screen, making it much easier to work on detailed parts of your design. It's one of the best shortcuts in Tinkercad because it instantly brings your model into view without manual zooming. Now let's look at the on-screen controls. On the left side of the Tinkercad workspace, you'll see a vertical toolbar. In that toolbar, there is a plus icon for zooming in and a minus icon for zooming out. If you prefer clicking instead of using shortcuts, these buttons work just as well. You'll also see the Fit All in View button, which looks like a square or bracket style icon. This option zooms the camera out so you can see everything in your workspace at once. It's perfect when your model gets too large or you accidentally zoom in too far and lose track of your project. A quick tip: if you're using a laptop touchpad, keyboard shortcuts are usually the easiest way to stay in control. Press plus to zoom in, minus to zoom out, and F to focus on a selected object. That gives you 3 simple ways to navigate Tinkercad without ever needing a mouse. If you're brand new to Tinkercad, practice these shortcuts a few times while working on a model. Once they become familiar, you'll save a lot of time and your editing process will feel much smoother. And that's how to zoom in Tinkercad without a mouse. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the next Tinkercad tips video on your screen now.